Oriri arutwo meharĩrĩirie gucoka mathukuru-inĩ kwambĩrĩria muthenya wa rũciũ makiuma rũtha rwa Midsam. Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha niugite aciari nĩ marekururia kuriha bithi ya tamu ya gatatu.
On behalf of government, that the Kenyan parents who are still denying paying the balance of their third term school fees should please pay that fee without further delay. Our population is a very interesting one. The majority of the people who are not paying fees can afford to pay fees.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo, Magoha nioritie arutani anene mathukuru-inĩ mbere ya itua rĩa kũingata arutwo mĩciĩ nĩ ũndũ wa thirĩ ũrĩa matigĩtie mambe maranĩrie na aciari.
My exemption is that the head teachers and principals should double check and ensure that the child they are sending home is not from a very poor and indigent family or a family has lost a job. The majority of the people who are refusing to pay fees can afford to pay, and they must now pay.
Thirikari nirekereirie mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 9.3 mathukuru-inĩ, bilioni 2.8 iria cia thukuru cia mithingi na bilioni 3.5 iria cia thukuru cia secondary.
The Form 1 selection is going on very well, and we should be able to talk to the nation before the 15th of this month. We have ensured that there is absolute fairness, more especially for the children who are intelligent and are poor from the slum areas.
Magoha ekwaragia hĩndĩ ya kũhingũra laboratory University ya JKUAT, mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa thukuru ĩno Victoria Ngumi akiuga laboratory ĩno nĩ kũgacĩrithia mathomo kũrĩ arutwo.
This university has been known for agriculture, science, technology and innovation. And in my advice to them this morning, I was telling them that they should ensure that the water remains in the river. Because there is a very big temptation in Kenya today about universities doing all the other courses that others are doing. And yet you can see that this university is different from the others.
Tukoragwo na arutwo aingĩ mũno a ngirigaca na nĩ tuonete tũtirĩ na enough space. Rĩu tukiona handũ ha undergraduate arĩa mareka bachelors matukanagio na postgraduate rĩ tukiuga twake nyũmba ĩno nĩguo rĩu andũ a masters na PhD na postdoc magathomera gũkũ.
Waki wa laboratory ĩno ũrahũthĩrĩte mũigana wa ciringi milioni 70 na iria iraheanĩtwo nĩ JICA ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na thirikari ya Kenya.
Is one of the our seamless supports for Kenya's agricultural sector. I hope a lot of students who study at this building will become the leaders of the sector and contribute to promote Kenya's agriculture business.
Irifotera Kameme TV, Returakoni Wajiru, Waforo.